Xin chào, Ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel Việt Mông Cooking. Today I will show you how to do amazing sushi bowl. You will need some shrimp. I use 10 shrimp today. But you will make the butter for the fried shrimp. You will need 1.5 cup puppet flour, 2 ounces of corn starch, and also you will need 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of sauce, and 1.5 teaspoon of oil. Mix together, and the important one, you need super cold water, 2 ounces of super cold water, and 1 egg white. We mix together. This is really good for the shrimp. When you fry the shrimp, make the shrimp crispy, soft, and yummy. You will turn on the medium-high heat. We can fry the shrimp. Also, you need 1 boiled egg. I have new perfume. This is this. You can make the batter thick, just like this. Now we have this. I will check the oil. You can fry the shrimp in 325. Not too hot because you will burn your shrimp. So when we weigh the oil, we will chop the cucumber. You dice small, easy eat. And you will need the carrots. Also you will need avocado, some crab stick, and some seaweed. Also some sushi sauce and some marinade. So let me chop this one. When we weigh the oil, you just dice small. That is easy eat. Also, when you do a sushi rice bowl, we need rice. So if you don't know how to cook rice, check my video. I have a full video show you how to make rice. But let me see. Hold on 1 second. This is I cook 2 cup rice. But sushi rice, usually you have to put some vinegar, brown sugar, and some salt. So yeah, fried vinegar. So today I use 2 cup rice. I use 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1/2 of teaspoon of salt. You just mix well together. Make rice sushi taste more better. A little bit, but give it let cool down a little bit. Let me check the. Okay, my oil good. We will put shrimp inside. You will love it. Let the shrimp cover with the batter, and then you bring the shrimp up. Look like this, cover, and then rub in the oil. Like this. And rub in the oil. Let me move this one a little bit happy. If you hear some noise outside, somebody have to work outside, so sorry about that. My shrimp, now I turn, I fried two sides, so I turn another side, so I will show you. We need the shrimp light brown. Yummy, yummy. Also I cut, yes, okay. Hey look, last side I just turn. Look like this. Okay, now I continue. Wait for another side brown, so I chop more vegetables. Then just some cucumber. Just some. We almost done the shrimp done. Then I cut one egg. We almost done. Let me check the shrimp. I don't know you're hungry, but I'm hungry already. Let me put the rice on the bowl. See, we are almost done. to put some sauce first to make the rice. Just like this. And then we put vegetable, and then we make more sauce. And this one carrots and cucumber. Some egg. Okay, already good. Now wait a trim, look. And you take the trim. You can do the chopped it at times. My trim. Very good. Look like this. It's good. Okay. Pull it out a little bit so I can cut. Beautiful. Really yummy. Maybe burn my hand. You can hear it. See here, repeat. And then you put on top it. You cannot eat shrimp. You can extra more boiled egg. So we have Sushi Bowl. Oh, almost. Okay, so also you can, if you cannot have shrimp, you can use salmon. You can have fish, but this is my family favorite. Okay, we are all done. Let me get some carrots, make look nice. Some vegetable. Also, don't forget crab stick. You put on top of it. And then some seaweed. I cut so big. Once again. Now we add some more sushi sauce. I have my mayonnaise and sriracha. You just go around. That's good. Yeah. And then let me see where my sesame seed. We professional. Ta-da! Look. Thank you for watching. See you later. Hi again. I forgot my avocado. I just cut it and nothing. Look, now amazing. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.